Getting reviews for your Amazon KDP books is the single hardest part of publishing. Almost nobody knows how to get them without risking your account or without breaking any of Amazon's strict rules. Until today, I'm going to be going over exactly how you can get Amazon compliant reviews, unlimited ones, for your books today without risking your account and being fully compliant with Amazon's terms of service. That's coming up right now. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's Emeka here with the Publishing Academy YouTube channel, and our goal is really simple: to give you the best free KDP content I possibly can to help you make money today so that you can work with us down the road and we can help you scale to $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month like our students. So today we're talking about reviews, and I love doing videos on reviews. Reviews are the lifeblood of your business. They are the most important part of your book launch process. However, so many people struggle with them. And so my goal is to share how you can get reviews today without risking your account and remaining 100% Amazon compliant. We know for sure without reviews, your book won't sell. You may be thinking, well, Emeka, my book kind of sells without reviews. Okay, 5 to 10 sales a month is not selling, right? If your book's doing anything less than 30 sales a month, your book isn't selling. You need reviews in order to actually sell your book and make money in this business. That's a fact. The number of reviews you need, though, that can change. And it's changed a lot since one of the last videos that I filmed, or one of the many videos I filmed last year on KDP reviews. Amazon's algorithm treats reviews as a very, very strong ranking signal. The more reviews you have, the more they will rank and push your book to more eyeballs on Amazon. So reviews cannot be underestimated. They cannot be ignored. This is something you have to get good at. And if you're saying right now, but Emeka, it's so hard, I don't know how to get them. Well, this video is going to hopefully solve that. But remember, if it's hard, there's a good chance you must find a way to make it easy, because the hardest things in this business are often the most important. So let's get into exactly how you can get reviews for your book today. There's a multitude of different review services that you can use in 2026 to get reviews for your book. Some are really, really cheap, and some cost a pretty penny. But there's options for everybody, no matter what level of self-publisher you are in this space right now. The one that I'm going to be talking about today is Book Reverb. And I think it's also important to note, for transparency's sake, I was not a fan of Book Reverb when it first came out. I don't know if I didn't fully understand their concept, or I just didn't fully believe in their model. And it took me a long time to kind of come around, but I've seen how the company's grown and just how they've maintained a very strict guidelines in order to stay aligned with Amazon's terms of service. And that's been really, really impressive. And the more that I've used their site over the last little bit, the more I've really, really come to like it. More important than that, I've had a bunch of my students have massive success. Some of them have hundreds of reviews that they've got primarily from Book Reverb, and they've been the feedback that has told me, all right, this is something I definitely need to dive into. And so that's why I wanted to do a video. So Book Reverb is an ARC distribution platform. The way they work is you simply upload your book to their website, which I'll show you how to do in a second. Then they distribute your book to readers who are interested in that particular topic. Now, the readers are paid to read the book. They're not paid to leave a review there. That's very important. And because they're not paid to actually leave a review, leaving a review is 100% voluntary. This allows them to stay 100% within Amazon's terms of service. And the one thing I've come to love about using Book Reverb is the authentic and honest reviews that you get. So yes, you can get some bad reviews if your book sucks, as you should. But if your book is really good, like I know most of you are putting out great quality content, then you're going to get some amazing feedback from real readers who were interested in reading your book. And that is something that you just don't get from some of the other platforms. And then now that I say that, there's one aspect I even love even more: the fact that you don't have to do any work. It's you literally upload your book, they send it off to readers, you are bidding for reviews, which I'll show you how this works in a second. And then that's it. There's no having to go do this assignment or go read this book to get points or anything like that. None of that. It's, I have a budget. I want X amount of reviews. I'm going to spend X amount of dollars as a budget. Click. I get X number of reviews in a certain period of time. That's it. And it's just a wonderful way of working because it requires so little effort on your part. It does require a little bit of money, right? So there's that, but that's it. So let me go into the dashboard and show you exactly how Book Reverb works. So this is the homepage for Book Reverb. There's going to be a link in the description so you can go use that to get signed up with Book Reverb. So you're going to click on books. This is your dashboard, so to speak, where you're going to have your books, and I'll kind of go through it. So you have your reviews. See, I've only got 22 current readers. I got 10 people reading. There's one book report done, a little today's stat. I really like this dashboard. It's really cool. Here you have book tier breakdown. And this is cool because you can sort your books based on the level of reviews that they have. And you see these two are only in the starter, but that's really cool. They've added a gamification to it. And gamification is a cool way of doing things because it gets you to keep using the platform over and over and over and over again. And you can sort through the days and everything. To add a new book, it's really simple. You're just gonna click on add a new book. It's gonna bring up this, grab your book's ASIN or your book's Amazon URL. You're gonna put it in here and hit submit, go to query, boom, it pulls up all your info, you're good to go. Now, the way this works is you click on your book and then you bid for reviews. So right here, you can see I'm bidding $8 for reviews. If I open this up, right, I have an $8 bid per review. So that means for every review that comes in, they will just charge me $8 per review. I can go down to $6. I can do $6 per review. And you see down here, it shows your bid competitiveness. And it's very low for this particular bid because it's $6. Whereas 8, it's competitive because most people are doing 8. So you're bidding for a lot more people. However, if you put it up to like $10 per review, it goes to strong. If we do like $13, it goes to very strong, meaning your book is going to get picked up really quick. If you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating your book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. And to show you how simple this is, my 10-year-old daughter has even published her own book using this exact same framework.
Actually, Daddy, I promise free.
You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the school group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now. Now, what is the bid that you should start at? I start at 8. At $6 bids, we've noticed that your book doesn't really get picked up. So you kind of have to start with 8. Now, here's the caveat. For those of you who are watching this in the future, this is what's gonna happen with this website. This video is being made, and then there's probably a whole bunch of other YouTubers gonna make more videos on Book Reverb. They probably already have. I'm kind of late to the game on this one. But the more videos that are gonna be made about this site, the more popular it's gonna become. So the more publishers are gonna be on it. So what's that gonna do to your bids? It's going to drive up the cost of the bid. So as of June 14th, 2026, $8 gets you reviews like this because I put $100 in the account. Was it this morning or was it yesterday? I think it was last night. I put $100 in the account to get a bunch more reviews. When I came to sit down to film this video, it was completely spent and I had 10 more people reading the book. That's how fast it happened at $8. So if you're not getting bids at $8 review, just bump it up a little bit because over time, the bid per review will increase. Then over on this side, you can see how many reviews do you want? And then you just go ahead and save campaign and you're good to go. But I love how they have it so you can have a goal, so you can go after exactly how many reviews you want. And yeah, no, it's just, they've done a good job here. Book Reverb, you've done a good job here. You can manage your book here, open up, change the details of the stuff that you need to. Then down here, you can see all the reviews that people have left. And then you can simply click on it and then it'll take you to the Amazon page where the actual review is, so you can actually go and read the review that the person left. Woohoo! So I'm not gonna kind of play around with the whole website. You can go to, it's really, really easily laid out. It's easy to work with. It's a piece of cake. So yeah, that's the website. Now, one of the main questions I know you're asking right now is, Mecca, are the reviews verified purchase reviews or are they unverified purchase reviews? And these reviews are 100% unverified. No, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter at all. Like, verified, unverified, who gives a It doesn't matter. Look, verified reviews, meaning it's a verified purchase, meaning the person purchased the product from Amazon and then left a review. Amazon marks it as a verified purchase reviews. Yes, those are the best. Yes, that's what we want in best case scenario. But in the beginning, doesn't matter. In the beginning, you just need social proof. You just want lots of reviews. Because here's the thing, people shopping on Amazon don't care about verified or unverified reviews. They just look at how many reviews they have, they'll read a couple of them. Most of them don't even know what verified purchase means. It makes zero difference in your books, zero difference. You know what it means, so you pay attention to it, but actual customers don't care. And I'll show you. So I have this book right here. It did $1,000 last month and it has 483 reviews. Like probably 97% of those reviews are all unverified. This book came out March 12th, 2026. So like a couple months ago, and bestseller rank 81,000. So like it's $1,000 a month book with 483 reviews, probably 450 of those, if not higher, are unverified. How do I know they're unverified? Because if I go look at the book in Canada, it has 9 reviews. And guess what? The BSR is like 66,000. So that's like 100,000 in like US terms. So the book still sells in other markets, even though it has way fewer reviews. So that's what I mean. Don't get so caught up on the fact that they're unverified. 20 unverified reviews is better than like 3 verified reviews. I'm just being honest with you. That's the reality. Now, can you do things to ensure that you get more verified reviews? Yes, you could use like Book Bounty, for example. Great way of getting verified reviews on your paperback with the new service they just came out with. You can check out the link to Book Bounty in the description. So all of these things are great, but I do want to stress one of the major differences between using this type of site versus something like Book Village or Book Bounty. Your book has to be good, like good. It doesn't have to be like decent. It has to be really good, because it's not other publishers reading your book. It's not other people who are like trying to get leaving a review on your book. It's real readers who enjoy reading and are interested in your topic. So, you know, your ideal customer is reading your book. And so if your book sucks, they will tell you in the review and it'll hurt you. Well, not really, but you know, nobody likes getting a negative review. So you have to ensure that your book is top notch. You have to ensure you've gone through all the steps. You've done editing. You've done your homework. You've formatted it nicely. You've got a good cover on it. And more importantly, it solves the problem that the person has. All of this is at the utmost important when you're using a site like Book Reverb. Book reviews matter, but your book has to be done correctly. A review on a bad book is just going to tell you that your book sucks just a lot faster. So the best way to avoid that is to publish a book correctly. That is why I have my 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge, where I will show you for free how to start publishing a book on Amazon. I will show you how to find a topic, how to write the book, how to edit the book, format the book, get it up on Amazon and make it for sale, all within 3 days and all completely for free. So instead of watching another KDP video after this one, why don't you come with me and I can show you how to actually go and publish your book for free. Link in the description for that. So here's what we know. Book Reverb is one of the only services that puts your book inside the hands of real, actual readers interested in your book. There's no swaps, there's no publishers reviewing publisher's book. It's legit readers. I love this. Yes, there is a small cost associated with it. You're going to pay anywhere from $8 to $10 per review. But hey, you know what? If you're doing that for your first 20 to 30 reviews, that's just the cost of publishing. So let's expect it and let's apply for it. But I'm grateful that the people who run these sites are looking at ways to continue to provide such a valuable service for all of us self-publishers here with all the changes that Amazon makes all the time. They're on top of it, making it easier and easier to get reviews every single day. So link for Book Reverb in the description down below, as well as the 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. You can find that link as well. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Peace.